wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z, from East to West, I'm Olivia. And welcome back to Dream Again! Yay! Yay! Yay, dreams! Do you know why I'm so excited? I'm so excited because today, I'm going to do story time. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to read you a story. Would you like that? Do you like when I read stories? I hope so. I really like reading them. Great. Today I'm going to read a story called 5 Little Pumpkins. Wow. Do you know why I'm reading a story about little pumpkins? I'm reading that story because it's fall. And in fall there are pumpkins. They're orange and they get big, and sometimes we carve little faces in them for Halloween. It's great. And I really like pumpkins, so ooh. And there's pumpkin pie. Yum. Pumpkins are really neat. You can also paint them. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I'm gonna get back to my story. Sorry. Okay, I know you're all very anxious. You're ready to get started. Okay. So I'm reading 5 Little Pumpkins. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. Ooh, I wonder if someone put them there. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late. Oh, it must be dark out." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." There are witches flying around. It must be Halloween time. The third one said, "But we don't care." Oh, pumpkins must like witches. The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run and run." Ooh. The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Yay. Ooh, went the wind, and out went the light. And the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. The pumpkins that sat on the gate had gone to someplace new. Ooh, that's amazing. I didn't even know pumpkins could move on their own. Okay, wow. This is an interesting story. They went to someplace new. It was dark and different. They heard the wind, it blew. Ooh. The first one said, "It is so dark." Oh, they might be getting scared. The second one said, "I hear whispers." The third one said, "Don't despair." Ooh. The fourth one said, "It's in the air." The fifth one said, "I'm ready to go home." The first one said, "It's just the wind. We should keep traveling there." And as the moon shone in the sky, they rolled by and by. Ooh, the pumpkins are rolling. They're probably rolling down a hill. I bet it's really high, huh? Yeah, okay. The pumpkins, they went rolling. Whoa. The first one said, I like to spin and flip on the grass. The second one said, oh, it is kind of wet. I don't like this at all. The third one said, I think it's fun, but I get dizzy too. The fourth one said, it's not my thing. I'll walk down beside you. Oh, that one's just gonna walk down the hill instead of rolling. Yeah, I can understand that. You get real dizzy when you roll, huh? Yeah, I do too. The fifth one said, I'm gonna run, 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 run. And then they heard a voice behind that said, let's have some fun. The pumpkins jumped. They shook. They hid. They didn't know what the voice came from. There's a secret voice, guys. Okay. They didn't know what the voice came from. They huddled in the dark, alone. But they were really together, so maybe they should have used the word together. I'm going to change it. They huddled in the dark together. And said, what was that voice? Oh no, we are so far away from home. Oh no. Okay. Then they heard the voice again. Don't hide from me, pumpkins. I'm another pumpkin. It's another pumpkin, guys. Oh. The pumpkin said, please come out and play. I'm all alone out here. I was supposed to go home with the family for Halloween this year. Alas, alas, I fell off the truck and I was out of luck. I rolled and rolled so far away, I couldn't find my way back. It's hard out here in the forest, alone. I do not like it at all. So please, please, little pumpkins, answer my lonely call. Aw, it's just another pumpkin that's alone. He just wants some friends, yeah. And the first pumpkin said, okay, I'd like to come and play. The second one said, I will come meet you, but I'm still a little nervous. That one's a little not sure yet, huh? Okay. The third one said, a pumpkin friend. I will be your friend till the end. That one really likes pumpkin friends. Yeah, that's great. Okay. The fourth one said, come play with us. You can come be our friend. Oh, they're all making friends now. It's great. It's really, really, really good. Okay. The fifth one said, don't be sad. We'll take you home, you'll see. We'll all have a great pumpkin place for us all to be. And the pumpkins rolled back up the hill together with their new friend. They got back to the house and then they climbed back on their gate. When they got to the gate, the first one said, oh my, it's very late. The second said, there are witches in the air. The third said, we don't care. The fourth one said, let's run and run. The fifth one said, but we had our fun. The sixth one said, I'm so glad here to be with all my friends. Ooh, went the wind, and the light came back on, and day rose over the trees. And now the family had 6 pumpkins. Outside the window they could see. Oh, that was a very nice story. I liked it. Did you guys like it? Yeah, great. I'm so glad you could join me for story time. Thank you for coming back to dream again. And we'll see you next time. Bye. 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 Have fun. Okay, bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!